everybody, and welcome back to Crafty Canines. Put you guys a little bit closer real quick. Alright, so we've got an unboxing of a Make Market diamond painting. So I got this one for free from Michaels, using their points and rewards and all that other fun stuff. Okay, let's see here. Use a box cutter in order to get it open. We don't have to use a box cutter, but my claws are just not long enough right now. Okay, maybe we'll try the other side. Alright. Okay. So let's see what we've got in here. Now, I've never used Make before, so we'll see how it goes. Alright. Oh, got a hair. Come here, you. Alright. Oh, I got stuck. There you go. Okay. Slide this out right here. I'm sorry if you guys hear any barking. I believe it's Mr. Timmy. There we go. Now look at that Grand Canyon. Not too bad. It's got the Diamond Dots canvas. I really don't like the Diamond Dots canvas, but it is what it is. Let's see here. Here we've got the toolkit. Mr. Marshall is trying to escape from his crate. Alright. So we've got baggies. We've got a pen with a squishy. We've got a tray, and then a thing of wax. Oh, with 2 waxes in it. Oh, there you go. 2 waxes in there. Which is kind of funny because I do not even use a full wax on any of my diamond paintings. So if anybody needs waxes, let me know. I've got a lot. Okay, let's look at these diamonds. Got some pretty colors. Sorry, I had to yell at Timmy there for a second. Okay, so it's just one long, oh no, it's two long strings. Okay. And they're just labeled 1 all the way up to 31, I suppose. A couple doubles. So now I gotta check the canvas, see if the canvas has the numbers on it. See, I think that's one of the reasons why I'm not a big fan of the diamond dots and all that other stuff, because they do not come with stickers. And they do not identify their diamond colors by the DMC code. Which the DMC code is the same as with thread for cross stitching. So if you ever want to duplicate a diamond painting that has a DMC number, you can do that. Okay, let's see if these will go back in here. Probably not very well. Okay. Alright, let's see if these are even numbered at all. Nope. No numbering whatsoever, just 1 through 31. But that's okay. I am okay with that. Let's go ahead and stretch her out. I'll put the toolkit and the diamonds back in here. Like that. And then like that. Alright, so, like I said, this is from Make Market, which I assume is Michael's version of diamond painting. I don't know, I haven't seen that brand in any other stores, so we will see. Alright, let's go back in here. Come on, you know you want to. Stop grabbing the sides. There we go. Alright. That's back in there. That's back to being closed. And then we'll just slide that right back in here. But yeah, so it is a full diamond painting of the Grand Canyon. So far, not very disappointed. Alright. Well, I will see you guys in the next video. Alright. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye!